Time to explore whether the Canon EOS R50 mirrorless camera is the right fit for you. Let's break down its pros and cons. Quiz time. What is the greatest common divisor of 24 and 36? Choices: A6, B8, C12, D18. Ready to guess? Drop your answer below and watch till the end of the video to see if you got it right. If you're on the hunt for a camera that ticks all the boxes, from the perfect vlogging companion to a robust tool for professional photography, you're in the right place. Say hello to the Canon EOS R50 mirrorless camera, a solid game changer in the world of photography and video content creation. This Canon R50 with RF S8 and 45mm lens kit is no ordinary camera. It's a powerful tool that brings your wildest creative visions to life. It's the kind of device that you'll be itching to have in your hands, whether you're an aspiring photographer, a seasoned professional, or a vlogger looking for that perfect 4K video vlogging content creator camera. The Canon EOS R50 mirrorless camera is a powerhouse of features that elevates your photo and video shooting experience. The heart of this beast is its 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor hybrid camera system. What does this mean for you? In simple, non-jargon terms, it means you get to click incredibly detailed and vibrant photos even in low light conditions. This sensor ensures you capture the minutest details, the subtlest shades, and the softest tones in every frame. The hybrid element allows it to focus swiftly and accurately, so you never miss a moment, be it a bird taking flight or a shooting star. The Canon R50 is not just a camera, it's a 4K video vlogging content creator camera. Let me break this down for you. Have you ever watched a vlog and felt like you're actually there? That's what 4K video does. It offers 4 times the detail of HD, and with the Canon R50, you can create that immersive experience for your viewers. So whether you're documenting your travels, sharing a recipe, or simply chatting about your day, your vlogs will have that extra sprinkle of magic. Now, let's talk about the Canon R50 with RF S18-45mm lens kit. The versatility of this lens makes it a perfect companion for your Canon EOS R50 mirrorless camera. Whether you're capturing wide landscapes or zooming in for a closer look at your subject, this lens kit has got you covered. It's like having multiple lenses in one compact package. An important aspect that sets the Canon EOS R50 mirrorless camera apart from its competitors is the Canon RF mount. This game-changing feature allows you to use Canon's expanding range of RF lenses. These lenses promise superior quality and speed, so you can shoot in a wide range of scenarios with stunning results. The Canon RF mount mirrorless camera is a testament to Canon's commitment to innovation. They've taken the compactness of a mirrorless camera and combined it with the capability to use high-performance lenses. This unique blend makes the Canon EOS R50 mirrorless camera a versatile tool for photographers and videographers alike. In conclusion, the Canon EOS R50 mirrorless camera is a stellar blend of technology and creativity. Whether you're a professional photographer looking for a reliable tool, a hobbyist wanting to level up their skills, or a vlogger desiring 4K quality, this camera is a worthy investment. With the Canon R50 with RF S18 45mm lens kit, you're not just buying a camera, you're investing in a tool that helps you tell your stories in the most vivid way possible. So why wait? Grab your Canon EOS R50 mirrorless camera and start creating magic today. I wouldn't expect the Canon EOS R50 mirrorless camera to run for office, but when it comes to its job, it's got my vote of confidence. We hope this review of the Canon EOS R50 mirrorless camera provided the insights you needed. If it did, don't forget to share it with your friends and subscribe for more content just like this.